Hello guys, welcome back to another wonderful and powerful spiritual recipe. In today's video, we are going to be talking about cease flower oil perfume, how you can use it for spiritual protection. If you're having any form of spiritual attack in your place of business, in your place of work, at home, anywhere you're having any form of spiritual attack, how you can use cease flower perfume oil for protection. I'm going to share with you how you can apply them, the places you can apply them on your body for protection. All right. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is still Remain Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in this channel. I'm saying a very big welcome to you. Okay. Make sure that before you leave this channel, you subscribe, give it this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. And I promise you that you're not going to regret subscribing to this channel. Okay. There are a lot of people out there who are having spiritual attacks. Okay. They don't know what to do. They don't know the type of product to use to apply to be able to stop this spiritual attack. Okay. Maybe you have this spiritual attack at night or in the afternoon or in the daytime in your place of work. Okay. You don't know what to do. Now I'm going to share with you how you can use this flower perfume to stop that spiritual attack. Okay. This is the perfume I'm talking about. Okay. This is cis flower perfume. This is cis flower oil perfume. This oil perfume is very, very powerful and effective. A lot of people don't know how to use it. They just get it and they started using it. They don't know how to use it. Okay. So I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can use it and the places you can apply it on your body so that it will be effective. Okay. So when you buy this perfume, you can buy this perfume anywhere from the spiritual shop. Okay. You can order it online. You can go to Amazon. Okay, to buy this perfume. Okay, I will be dropping link on where you can buy it from Amazon under the description or comment section. Okay, so when you get this perfume, the first thing that you should do is to make a prayer, make affirmation prayer, set your intention on protection. Okay, what you want to use it for. Okay, you need to set your intention. Okay, now when you make a prayer using this oil, on what you want to do with it. Okay, like as you want to do it, you want to use it for protection. You're going to pray. When you open it, you are going to pray and say that today I'm using this flower perfume oil for protection. Any form of spiritual attack coming to me from your place of work. You list the places that you're having the attack. After making that prayer, there are places you apply it on your body so that it will be fast, effective. Okay. The first place you should apply it is on your wrist here. Okay. You apply it here. Okay. When you apply it on your wrist, it will be more effective. It will be so effective to, stop any form of spiritual attack. Now, if you are having a spiritual attack at night, apply it on your forehead. Use it and draw a cross on your forehead. Okay. You can as well apply it on your foot. If you notice that some people have been, bearing charm in your place of business or in your place of work, or your leg is swollen because of charm or spiritual attack, you can apply the cease flower perfume on your legs. Okay. Just open it and rub it on your leg. Okay. This is going to stop any form of spiritual attack. If you're having bad dreams at night as a result of spiritual attack, you can as well take this and rub it on your eyes. Okay. Rub it on your eyes or you rub it at your face. Okay. This is going to stop any form of spiritual attack. Okay. That you are having. This cease flower perfume is very, very powerful and it is effective. A lot of people don't know how to use it. A lot of people just get it and they start applying it on their body. That is wrong. Okay. When you get it, make sure that you set your intention. Make a prayer. Declare ways over your life, what you want to use it for. Okay. And then apply it on these areas of your body that I just mentioned, your face, your wrist, your foot, okay, and your eyes. These are the places you can apply this cease flower perfume oil and to stop any form of spiritual attack you're having, whether in your place of work, whether at your home, whether in your business area. It's going to stop that spiritual attack if you're having any. Okay, so make sure that you get this six flower perfume, or if you are having any form of spiritual attack, use the link on the description box, okay? Or you go to the comment section. I'll be dropping the Amazon link on where you can buy this six flower perfume oil, okay, from Amazon if you're living outside Nigeria, okay? But if you're within Nigeria, you can buy it anywhere, spiritual shop, or you can order it online, or you buy from me. If anyone you want, you can do, okay? But make sure that you use this six flower perfume and apply it all these places I just mentioned, and any form of spiritual attack you're having, your life will stop, okay? So that is what I want to share with you guys in this video. I don't have much to say. I don't want to make this video to be longer than this. So make sure that you get this perfume if you're having any form of spiritual attack. It's going to help you, okay? So make sure that you are part of this channel by subscribing, give the video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any question and want to ask more about this teaching, about this perfume, use the comment section, okay? And give the video a thumbs up. So here I'll be wrapping it up in this video today. See you guys in my next video. Bye.